Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, look down below and make sure you're subscribed and that the bell is clicked so you never miss a video. And as you can tell from the title, I am doing that TJ Maxx series that I talked about. I had showed y'all this palette and I'm going to do this one next. But I found this the other day. It's Icon Mini by Absolute New York, and I see this brand at TJ Maxx a lot. Like a lot. And I have never tried this brand, heard of this brand. I guess it's one of their little brands, you know. But anyways, I decided to use this one first so we can just see what this brand is about. In case you go into TJ Maxx and you've wondered if these palettes are any good. This one was actually like $3.99. So affordable, and it is smaller, but that means it's easy to travel with. So anyways, we're just here to see what this is about. And I'm sorry that my hair is crazy and my lips are dry. Just don't look at all that, okay? Okay. First, we're going to go in with this shade right there called Bone, just to make sure our eyes are good and set. I'm sorry if you can hear my daughter in there playing. Her and my husband are in there. With the light shade like this, like, you're not going to be able to tell if it's pigmented, you know, like. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this orange shade called Ember. Oh wow. It's actually pigmented, y'all. Wow, okay. I'm gonna be honest, I was not expecting this with a $3 palette. Wow. Okay, for $3, that is really nice. Or $3.99, excuse me. But with this little series, I will be doing like brands you've heard of, like BH Cosmetics, you know, stuff like that. But I'm also wanting to do these brands that, you know, look like off brands or very cheap, whatever you want to call them. I just think that'd be really fun. And this little palette is really surprising me so far. I'm ready to see what this shimmer is going to look like. And it blended out really pretty, like, I didn't have to like sit here and work with it or anything like that. It wasn't hard. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this shade right there called Heat Wave. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. It's really, really gorgeous. I just love how these colors are blended together so easily. I definitely want to try more from this brand. Like, wow. Just making sure that those colors are blended together easily. But I mean, they are just so easy to work with. And it does come with a nice size mirror, so that's really awesome. My daughter's in there squealing. She's a squealer. Like, we'll be in Walmart or wherever and she'll start screaming and I'm like, people probably think she's being bad or I'm hurting her or whatever, but she loves to squeal. Like, she just does it with the biggest smile on her face. It is so cute. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush in the shade Spark. And I'm gonna put some on my brush. I want to see what it does without spraying it. That is not bad at all. Can y'all see that? Like, that is really, really showing up. Okay, so if you go to TJ Maxx and you're looking for some affordable palettes that are like pretty awesome, I would highly suggest this one. Like I said, it was like $3.99 and it performs really, really well. Oh, I can hear my daughter. Ah, I'm loving this look. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick up some more and then I'm gonna spray it because I just want to see how much it'll show up like this. Wow. That is just so pretty, y'all. Alright, my first impressions on this palette is like, go get it. It's affordable and this is really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. But I'm going to do my mascara and my eyeliner real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so, like I said, excuse my hair. But this is with the rest of my eye makeup on and I really love this look. I really love the way that these shadows performed. I love the colors in this palette and I love that it is a mini, so it's going to be easy to travel with. And yes, if you've seen this brand at TJ Maxx, I would give them a try. I don't know about their other stuff because I've never tried anything else, but so far this is really awesome. I am going to look for more of their stuff, and that is it for this video. I cannot wait to show y'all another TJ Maxx palette and what I think about it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because whenever I hit 2K, I'm going to do another huge giveaway like I did with my 1K, and I've already got like a drawer full of stuff down there and I'm so excited to give back to my amazing supporters. Y'all are the best. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles.